In today's video, I will teach you how to create your own presets in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, go to the library module and import the image that you want to edit. Then switch to the develop module. Then make all the desired changes to your images, such as exposure, contrast, and highlights in the basic panel. Then color adjustments in the HSL or color panel. Then sharpening and noise reduction in the detail panel. And lens corrections and effects in their respective panels. Then adjust until you achieve the desired look. Now we're going to save the settings as a preset. On the left-hand side in the Develop module, locate the Presets panel. Then click the plus button at the top of the Presets panel and choose Create Preset. Then give your preset a descriptive name such as Warm Vintage or Soft Portrait. Then organize your preset by creating a new group or selecting an existing group. Then a dialog box will appear listing all the adjustments that you've made. You can check or uncheck the boxes based on what you want the preset to include. For example, if your preset is for color grading only, you can uncheck options like exposure and lens corrections. Then keep settings like tone curve and HSL checked for consistent color adjustments. Then click Create, and Lightroom will save your preset in the selected group. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.